I have been seeing around some people are advertising for night shows or for public shows in Saleh's ground. But I want to sound a warning that as a security team that I had in Arua City, security has advised that Saleh's ground is out of bound to conduct public shows because of security incidences that we foresee can likely happen and compromise public safety and security. I therefore want to advise that revealers who would want to pay for shows that is being advertised in Saleh's ground should not risk their money.
You guys notice that there's this growing trend whereby international artists are now flying directly to the north. Have you guys noticed that trend? When they land in the country, they move straight to the north. These guys in the north are not sleeping. Nowadays, these guys come up with their own events. They don't need help from people in Kampala. They are able to fly their international artists in the country straight to the north. Gone are the days whereby international artists would come and then he had to first check in Kampala, the capital city. Times have changed. Sabinus was in the country. He went straight to the north. He was in Arua. He went to Gulu. He terrorized those people. He did what he had to do. Now I'm hearing Peace Square is also coming. Straight to the north. You people in Kampala are sleeping. It was, Sabinus was in the north. It was when they were like, let us have an extra show. So they put Kampala as a by the way. You can imagine. A whole Sabinus. You continue sleeping. People in Kampala, you get to understand. I think this is part of the resolutions these guys had. Parliament. Because I heard they had their regional sittings in northern Uganda. Maybe these are the resolutions. You never know. Now, these people in the north, they are not playing games.